Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Chiliz. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Chiliz broke down the support of an up channel on a smaller time frame, by the way, on a 4-hour time frame chart, and at the same time, on a bigger time frame, on a 7 days time frame chart, it was also breaking out a very big and huge falling wedge pattern as well. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. And now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakdown, the price line is now recovered again and moved up. And now we have again broken out this long-term downtrend and resistance. That was, in fact, the resistance of a big and long-term falling wedge pattern. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that it was also breaking out the resistance of a big falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, the price line now is retesting this previous resistance of the wedge as support. Take a look at the daily time frame chart, and it will be more visible. You can see that it's still moving above this support. And on the 7 days time frame chart, it is again moved above this support that was previously breaking at their resistance, this downtrend and resistance of the wedge. And now it depends where this weekly candlestick will be closed. As I was telling you in my previous videos, that I'm expecting that this candle can be closed above the resistance of this wedge. And now, within the next few hours, in fact, after 2 or 3 days, when this candlestick will be closed, then it depends where we will have a closing. For example, if we will have a closing that I'm expecting above the resistance, then we may see another move to the upside to make a powerful attempt to break out the next resistance of 16.5 cents. That is a quite long-term resistance that was previously breaking as a resistance here, and for several months it has been breaking as a support here as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you my most recent trade signal for Chiliz that I shared a few days ago on 21st of November 2024 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 104% very, very massive rally. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Chiliz that I shared on 21st of November 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal bat move that Chiliz completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal. Buying's on and the sell target's on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very, very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far, it has rallied almost 104%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description you can find. Now let's take a look at the live chart, and this is the 4-hour time frame chart. And here previously we have been following just breakout from this down channel, and I was telling you that the target for the breakout from this channel will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at 8.3 cents, and you can see that the price and rallied beyond that target, and the trend was changed from the down to the upwards. Still, it is an uptrend, but we have broken down the support. Very nice support of this up channel. You can see that while moving inside this channel, it was forming higher highs and higher lows, and now we have broken down this support. And if we take a look at the technical target for the breakdown, that is, by the way, here at the bottom of the channel, approximately at 6 cents. At the same time, you can see that we have also broken out this very long-term downtrend and resistance as well. That is the resistance of a very big and huge falling wedge pattern. Therefore, the chances are decreased to hit the target for the breakdown from this channel. By the way, that target is here at the bottom of the channel, approximately at 6.1 cents. And now, if we take a look at the expected target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and I'm expecting that soon we may have the closing of this resistance of the wedge. For example, if we will have the closing below this resistance, then there can be a more possibility that the price then may hit the target for the breakdown from this up channel, and that will be here. And here on the 7 days time frame chart, the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the channel. That will be somewhere between 95 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.